Hello everyone, welcome to English Daily Lesson. In this video, you will learn 50 daily use English questions and answers. Let's start. 50 questions and answers. What is your name? What is your name? My name is John. My name is John. How are you? How are you? I am fine. I am fine. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from America. I am from America. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am studying. I am studying. What time is it? What time is it? It is 5 p.m. It is 5 p.m. Are you busy? Are you busy? No, I am free. No, I am free. Do you like tea? Do you like tea? Yes, I like tea. Yes, I like tea. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? No, I don't like coffee. No, I don't like coffee. Can you help me? Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Yes, I can help you. What is this? What is this? This is a book. This is a book. What is that? What is that? That is a car. That is a car. Who is he? Who is he? He is my friend. He is my friend. Who is she? Who is she? She is my sister. She is my sister. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to the market. I am going to the market. Why are you late? Why are you late? I missed the bus. I missed the bus. When will you come? When will you come? I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand. Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Yes, I can speak English. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? My phone number is 12345678890. My phone number is 12345678890. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Yes, I have a pen. Yes, I have a pen. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. What is your hobby? What is your hobby? My hobby is reading. My hobby is reading. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. Yes, I am happy. What is your age? What is your age? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Do you play games? Do you play games? Yes, I play games. Yes, I play games. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Yes, you can sit here. Yes, you can sit here. What is your plan? What is your plan? My plan is to study. My plan is to study. Do you go to school? Do you go to school? Yes, I go to school. Yes, I go to school. What do you want? What do you want? I want water. I want water. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. What is your job? What is your job? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Do you like music? Do you like music? Yes, I like music. Yes, I like music. Can you drive? Can you drive? Yes, I can drive. Yes, I can drive. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? I am looking for my keys. I am looking for my keys. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Yes, I understand you. Yes, I understand you. Can you repeat? Can you repeat? Yes, I can repeat. Yes, I can repeat. What happened? What happened? Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yes, I am okay. Yes, I am okay. What is your problem? What is your problem? I have no problem. I have no problem. Do you need help? Do you need help? Yes, I need help. Yes, I need help. Can I come in? Can I come in? Yes, you can come in. Yes, you can come in. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? I am watching TV. I am watching TV. Do you work here? Do you work here? Yes, I work here. Yes, I work here. Can you wait? Can you wait? Yes, I can wait. Yes, I can wait. What do you think? What do you think? I think it is good. I think it is good. Are you coming? Are you coming? Yes, I am coming. Yes, I am coming. What is your goal? What is your goal? My goal is to learn English. My goal is to learn English.